Assalamu alaikum students, hope so you all are fine. Our today's topic is present past continue tense. The formula of present past continue tense is subject plus had been, first form of verb ing and object and since and for का आप यूज़ करते हो यहाँ पे. Yesterday morning I got up and looked out of the window. The sun was shining, but the ground was very wet. It had been raining. It was not raining when I looked out of the window. The sun was shining, but I had been raining before. But it had been raining before. Had been ing is the past perfect continue. I, we, you, they, he, she, it के साथ आप हैड का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. बीन एंड फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ ing का वर्ड एडिशन. सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. When the boys came into the house, their clothes were dirty, their hair was untidy, and one of them had black eyes. They had been fighting. It was very I was very tired when I got home. I had been working hard all the day. When I went to Madrid a few years ago, I stayed with a friend of mine. She had been living there very long, but she know the city very well. You can say that something had been happening for a period of time before something else happened. We had been playing tennis for about half an hour when it started to rain heavily. Paul went to the doctor last Friday. She had not been feeling well for some time. Comparison between present perfect tense and present perfect continue tense and past perfect continue tense. I have been with ing and I had been addition of ing with first form of verb. Past and present है I hope the bus comes soon. I have been waiting for 20 minutes. James is out of breath. He has been running. Okay. At last the bus came. ये past है. At last the bus came. It had been waiting. I had been waiting for 20 minutes. James was out of breath. He had been running. Compare was ing, past continue and had been. Okay, past continue and past perfect continue. I was not It was not raining when we went out. The sun was shining, but it had been raining, so the ground was wet. Catherine was sitting in an armchair resting. She was tired because she had been working very hard. Some verbs, for example, know and like, are not normally used in the continue tense. We were good friends. We had known each other for years. Not had been knowing each other. Just we had known each other for years. I was surprised when Lisa cut her hair. She had had long hair since I first met her. Not she had been having long hair or etc. Next, unit number 17 with the use of have and have got. Have and have got for possession, for relationship, and for illness, etc. We can use have or have got. There is no difference in meanings. आप have का यूज़ करते हो, have got को यूज़ करते हो, वहाँ पे meanings का difference नहीं होगा, same meaning होगा दोनों का. They have a new car. They have got a new car. Lisa has two brothers. Lisa Lisa's got two brothers. I have a headache. I have got a headache. Our house has a small garden. Our house has got a small garden. With these meaning, possession, etc., we cannot use continuous form for am having etc. ओके, इसके साथ हम कंटिन्यू फॉर्म का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं इन कंडीशन में, बट कुछ कंडीशंस में कुछ वर्ड्स के साथ आप कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ हम हैविंग हैव के साथ आईएनजी का एडिशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते. वी आर enjoying our holiday. We have got a nice room in the hotel. Not we were having a nice room. For the past we use had without got. हम without got use करते हैं past tenses में, just had का use. Lisa has had long hair when she was a child. Not Lisa had got. In question and negative sentences there are three possible forms. Do you have any question, or I don't have any question. Have you got any question? I have not got any question. These are examples. Same. In past tense, in past questions and negative sentences we use did and didn't. Did you have a car when you were living in Paris? I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't call you. Okay, have breakfast, have a shower, have a good time, etc. We also use have but not have got for many actions and experiences. For example, breakfast, dinner, a cup of coffee, something to eat, etc. A bath, shower, a swim, a rest, a party, a holiday, an accident, an experience, a dream, a look, a chat, a conversation, a discussion with somebody, trouble, difficulty, fun, a good time, etc. A baby, give birth to a baby. Have got is not possible in the expression in the box. Compare. Sometimes I have eat a sandwich for my lunch. Sometimes I have a sandwich for my sometime I have sandwich for my lunch. I have got sandwich for my lunch, but I have got I have got, or I have some sandwiches. Do you like one? Okay, would you like one? इस तरह से हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट इन कंडीशंस में आप यूज़ सम टाइम आई हैव अ सैंडविच फॉर माई लंच. आप जब लंच की बात करो, ब्रेकफास्ट की बात करो, यहाँ पे आप क्या करते हो, आप हैव गॉट का वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करते. बट जब आप ऑप्शन दे रहे हो, आई हैव और आई हैव गॉट सम सैंडविचेस, वुड यू लाइक वन, आप इस तरह से आप आई हैव गॉट का वर्ड यूज़ करते हो. यू कैन use continue form am having with the expression in the box. इनके साथ आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. We were enjoying our holiday. We are having a great time. Mark is having a shower at the moment. She has a shower every day. In questions and negative sentences we use do, does, did, I didn't. Usually I have a big breakfast. What time does just have lunch? Did you have trouble फाइंडिंग अ प्लेस टू लिव. ठीक है, इन कंडीशंस में आप ये पास्ट और प्रेजेंट टेंस के साथ आप क्वेश्चंस और नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में आप किस तरह से हैव और हैव गॉट का यूज़ करते हो. पास्ट टेंस में तो आप हैव गॉट का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ पे जस्ट आप हैड का यूज़ करते हो. लेकिन यहाँ पे डिड यू हैव ट्रबल फाइंडिंग द प्लेस अ प्लेस टू लिव. नेक्स्ट है नंबर 18, यूज्ड टू. निकोला डजंट ट्रैवल much this time. She preferred to stay at home, but she used to travel a lot. She used to go away 2 or 3 times a year. आप मोस्टली क्या करते हैं कि हम पास्ट टेंसेस में यूज्ड का वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं जब आप पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो. तो सम टाइम यूज टू हैपन, इट हैपन often in the past but no longer happened. I used to play tennis a lot, but I don't play very much now. David used to spend a lot of money on clothes. These days he cannot afford it. Do you go to the cinema much? Not now, but I used to. We also used to for things that were true but are not true anymore. This building is now a furniture shop is used to be a cinema. Okay, I used to think Mark was unfriendly, but now I realize she is a very nice person. Okay, section number C है. um, I used to do something in is past. I used to do something is past. There is no present. you you cannot say I used to do. आप पास्ट में इसका यूज़ करते हो. आई यूज़, अगर यूज़ टू डू का यूज़ करना चाह रहे हो तो उसके साथ आप पास्ट कोई फॉर्म यूज़ करते हो. और यूज़ टू डू तो यूज्ड टू डू ऑलरेडी आप पास्ट में यूज़ करते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रेजेंट ही यूज्ड, पास्ट में ही यूज्ड टू प्ले, वी यूज्ड टू लिव, there used to be. Okay, present में he plays, he live, there is. Okay, we used to live in a small village, but now we live in London. There used to be for cinema in the town. Now there is only one. The normally question form is did you used to, did you used to eat a lot of sweets when you were a child. The negative form is didn't used to. Okay, I didn't use to like him, or I used not to like him. दोनों तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कंपेयर आई यूज़ टू डू व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग. आई यूज़ टू वॉच टीवी अ लॉट, और आई वाज वॉचिंग टीवी when Rob called. Okay, compare I used to do, I was doing. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट में आप यूज़ का वर्ड मोस्टली यूज़ नहीं करते, और पास्ट में आप यूज्ड का वर्ड यूज़ करते हो. नॉट डू नॉट कंफ्यूज आई यूज़ टू डू एंड आई एम यूज्ड टू डूइंग. ठीक है, दोनों तरह से आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. विदाउट यूज टू डू, विदाउट यूज्ड आप फॉर्म का जस्ट यूज़ करते हो, और यूज का वर्ड भी यूज़ कर लेते हो. द स्ट्रक्चर एंड द मीनिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. आई यूज टू लिव अलॉन, आई एम यूज टू लिविंग अलॉन. I used to live alone. I lived alone in the past, but I no longer live alone. I used to living alone. I live alone, and I don't find it stranger or difficult, because I have been living alone sometime. Present tense है. Present continue I am doing with future. This is Ben's diary for a week. He is playing tennis on Monday. On Monday is the future of present. Okay, he is going to the dentist on Tuesday morning. Next है, in all these examples Ben has already decided and arranged to do these things. I am doing things. I am doing things, something. I have already decided and arranged to do it. There are some examples. What are you doing on Saturday evening? I am going to the theater, etc. These are the examples. And I am going to do, next I am going to do is also possible in these sentences. What are you going to do on Saturday morning? ठीक है, going to do का word आप use करते हो. But the present continue is more natural when we talk about arrangements. Unit number 2020 and B. Do not use will to talk about what you have arranged to do. What are you doing this evening? Alex is getting married the next month. You can also use the present continue for an action just before you being to do it. This happens especially with verbs of movement: go, come, leave, etc. I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. I'm going to bed now. Good night. Not I go to bed now. Present simple I do with future meaning. We use present simple when we talk about timetable, programs, etc. for public and transport, cinema. And for example, my train leaves at 11:30, so I need to be at the station by 11:15. What time does the film start this evening? uh, ये एग्जांपल्स हैं कुछ जो रिलेटेड हैं इसके प्रेजेंट सिंपल एंड विद द फ्यूचर मीनिंग. You can use the present simple to talk about people if their plans are fixed, like timetable. I started my new job on Monday. But the ये एक और एग्जांपल है, इसको रीड कर लीजिएगा. But the continue is more usual for personal arguments. What time are you meeting and tomorrow? कंपैरिजन है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू और पास्ट कंटिन्यू का. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू और प्रेजेंट सिंपल का. व्हाट टाइम आर यू अराइविंग? ओके, कंटिन्यू टेंस है एंड प्रेजेंट सिंपल है. व्हाट टाइम डज द ट्रेन अराइव? नेक्स्ट यूनिट नंबर 20 है. आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड टू डू इट एंड आई इंटेंड टू डू इट. आर यू गोइंग टू ईट anything? I heard Sarah has won some money. What is she going to do it? Okay. Section number B है. Section B, I am going and I am going to do. We use I am going present continue when we say what we have arranged to do. For example, arrange to meet somebody, arrange to go somewhere, etc. Section C, you can also say that something is going to happen in the future. For example, the man is not looking where he is going. He is going to walk into the wall. Okay. And when we say that something is going to happen, the situation now make this clear. जैसे कि इस ये पिक्चर्स में आपको शो हो रहा होगा. The man is walking toward the wall now, so we can see that he is going to walk into it. And some more examples. Look at those black clouds. It's going to rain. Okay. Next section D. I was going to do something I intend to do, but I didn't to do it. We were going to travel by train, but then we decided to go by car instead. You can say that something was going to happen and something was going to happen but didn't happen. I thought it was going to rain but it didn't. Okay. Today our today's topic was past perfect continuous tense, had the use of have and have got, the use of have used to, and present tense with the use of future for future. Okay. I'm going, I'm doing, and I do for the future. I am going to. This is enough. This was our today's lecture.